with light as the blade, growing toward innovation. Dynalasers continues to redefine the boundaries of laser welding with innovative technology. One smart manufacturing base, where dreams begin, and a new engine for global intelligent upgrading. Innovation leading excellence revealed. Guided by the mission make welding an art. Dynalasers focuses on originality and R&D, breaking industry barriers. We pioneered the integrated intelligent handheld laser welding DM series. Lightweight intelligent handheld laser welding S series. And Mini Spot Welder S10. Delivering ultra-smart and simplified welding experiences, leading industry evolution. Craftsmanship trusted, globally recognized. ISO 9001 certified. PL/CENT FCC compliant. 90 core patents. Future Forge. Intelligence Unlimited. From semiconductor to automotive manufacturing. From medical devices to hardware and building materials. Dynalasers serves 100 plus countries and regions worldwide. We make every beam of laser light up industries. And every weld reflect the beauty of precision engineering. Dynalasers make welding